Okay, this is site 2, and this is just an overview of the whole site here to give you an indication. I'm starting in the northeast corner, and the whole site is bounded by, looks like clay terracotta pavers all the way around, bordering the unit. And this particular corner, disturbance has been made to plant some plants, natural plants, and some rocks. And there is a palm tree here planted. And around this little garden is some cement pavers, and it looks like some type of plastic I don't know, edging. And there we go. And then next to that is this cement feature. It is a light pole inside of this tree, and inside next to that is planted grass, and we've got another tree in kind of like off center with some roots growing up through the ground in several places. And then here we've got a, I don't know, it looks like an electrical box for the light that's right here to provide power. There's electricity lines that have to be dug here. And here we've got a border of concrete surrounding another part of the natural garden the soil was disturbed with some stone rocks or boulders or stones or whatever. And it also has a tree planted here. And here is a irrigation spout. So there's an irrigation system that is under the dirt where it's been exposed. There is a border, more stones have been placed over here for the garden. Here is a feature of a post for information post and artifact of flyers. Another irrigation spigot. More stones. I'm kind of getting in close here in the inside. It's basically just littered with leaves and eco-facts. Here's another major tree, and it has some roots growing out here too. Cactus, more stones edging around the natural garden. A large palm tree, and surrounded by cactus and some grasses and other natural plants. And there is another spigot next to the palm tree. And then the pavers stop here, and we have a man-made, I don't know, path edged with boulders and some type of gravel, loose, fine gravel here. More boulders. Here's I don't know what that is. Is it a tree? I think it's a tree. It looks like a dead tree. And then here we've got more plumbing or water pipes. This pipe goes into the ground, and it looks like there's, I don't know if you can see it or not, a storm drain. It's concrete, and it has a heavy metal grate over the top of it, and that's a feature. And it has a plastic artifact, a rat trap, rodent trap as well. Here we have a couple more turn-off valves for the water and another spigot, and I don't know what this thing is. It's a plastic thing. Looks like some type of valve or something. I don't know what that is. There's a spigot. There's the rat trap. Another spigot. We've got some type of wiring here too. I didn't see. There's a rusted pipe and some wiring. That pipe goes all the way out here. It doesn't look like it might be in use. But here's another pipe. Goes artifact, plastic, I would assume, or rubber. Another spigot over here. And this is on the west-south side of the site. This is the path. Another tree here. There's the spigot again. Another tree. Let's see. Now we're over on the other side of the natural garden, kind of centered. Here's a tree next to the pavers. And then here's on the northwest side, here's a turn-off valve, likely for, it's like steel piping for either water or gas. I would assume water. This looks like some type of water measuring thing or tank. It's a cement underground container with steel top, and it looks like there's some erosion going on here. Steel pipe, it looks like, is broken off here. There's erosion back there with ecofac leaves. You can see here, yeah, this is eroding pretty good. Right there, this is steel. This is steel. It's a pretty heavy piece of steel that was just laid on the ground. And here's another like type of steel. It's like coming off, it's eroded. And then this is the other side. And then here's an electrical box. It looks like it's going into the ground. And there's some rocks, stones placed around the trees. Here's some roots here. And we've got around in this kind of the west side, the center northwest side, their ground was disturbed with a concrete border around pavers. However, it looks like there has been some root activity going on with the pavers here. They are disrupted, they are uneven. You can see here they are being disrupted by this tree root right here. It's totally uneven. And you can see this root goes right here. These are uneven too, so there's a lot of root activity. The root goes clear over here. I'm sorry. So here, in the center, it starts here. Most of the pavers are kind of even, but you can see where the root activity has taken place. They are uneven here. Here's the tree, and then this is the light pole next to the tree. You can't see it up there. But you can see that there's actual roots.
No, but you could take it in your notes or in your feature description. So there you've got that sheet for the features, right?
There's some more roots here. Lots of root upheaval.
It had writing on it. Jen's like, I'm going to make this photo realistic.
I designed our whole house on a classical map. Our remodel. Years and years. Nope, they're on the other side of it. Perfect.
A little bit. Okay, that's all. 11 minutes.